Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright my people, Dancehall skilla there again once more. Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. Big up and respect to all of my dans and danettes, is it? Yeah, big up and respect. Alright, now in this video, I'm going to present to you a video that is being talked about on social media, and I'm going to give you some information about an incident where it is said that a wanted man had been shot and killed during a police military operation within Westmoreland, Jamaica. So give you information that I got about that situation, is it? Yeah, but before I start to say certain things, I want to encourage each and everyone to go over to a YouTube channel that is called Uncle Mark Music and listen to a song that is called Can't Return. You see me? Yeah, the song that is known as Can't Return is a good song. The context of that song, some persons might call the context of that song reality. You see me I say? Yeah, so I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video down below, and if you click that link will take you to the song that is known as Can't Return. That's on Uncle Mark Music YouTube channel. Alright, now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force went to a premises that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica for a certain reason. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly when the video be recorded, and I don't have any confirmed information as to why those police officers went to that location. You see me? But if you look and listen to some things that have been said in the video, you might get an understanding as to why those police officers went to that location or about the situation. You see? Now, allegedly, it is said that persons was at the premises were said to be guests, and to my understanding, at least one person had been detained or arrested by police officers who went to that location. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think, because this video is being talked about on social media, and I'm going to play the video right about now. So take a look, listen, observe, and remember, tell me what you think. Observe with me.
And we're checking out tomorrow at 11 o'clock. We don't even know
what to do. Those are the only two guys here with us, because
you were checking out.
Lovely workers, young men who are working there.
We was just on the pool side, drinking some little vodka, whatever, playing some little music. We'd appreciate it if you come and say turn off the music or something. Than just look like we have some criminal over here or nothing. We don't live here. We're just visitors here, we don't live here.
Visitors.
Oh, the gate closed.
Come and say to turn down the music. It's a registered private business. You came to?
Were you aware of that?
Who did you come to, sir?
Were you aware of that?
We were sitting out there for a few hours. I didn't see any police officer come to the gate.
But that's not our responsibility as a guest to come to the gate. That's our responsibility as a guest to come to the gate, though.
Guess. Listen, guess. Is it?
Well, ma'am, you're gonna have to take that up with the courts. They jumped the fence.
What?
I am not the owner of the property.
He was in his room, you know. They sent to call him because him never come out. Just that one.
Who jumped the fence?
Him don't know nothing what I talk about.
He doesn't know anything.
He was the one who come out and tried to call his supervisor.
And the reason why they took so long to open the gate, she's overseas. They were trying to get to her.
Somebody who's in charge, I can talk to you.
It's just
not no hiding.
We're guests. We see police officer come fly the gate.
No, but we're going to leave him and we don't know how the gate going to close because there's nobody else here to
close the gate. We don't even know how to open the gate.
Listen what I want people, because this is sound really and truly, you know? Yeah. Alright, viewers and subscribers, I don't want to jump to no conclusion when it comes on to this situation, you know. Yeah, because some comments have been made on social media that gave me the understanding that some persons on social media are against the police actions, you see me? And at least one person in the video said some things that gave me the understanding that that person is somewhat against the police actions, you see me? In my point of view, a female who you can hear talking in the background of the video defended at least two persons. You understand? Yeah, man, if you listen good. See, no, I don't jump to a conclusion, but let me point out a few things quick and fast before we move on to the next topic. You see it? Yeah. Now, in the video, me hear the word guess. And in the video, me hear when somebody says something that sounds like the person say, jump fence. You see me? It's not the exact sentence, but me hear jump fence tonight. You understand? I wonder who jumped the fence. Yeah, I wonder who jumped the fence, my people. You understand? You see it? I can't tell if that is a guest house or if a Airbnb, whatsoever, I don't know. But The video is right there. Present the video to you because the video is being talked about on social media. You can let me know what you think, you have viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I read some things in a news article that gave me the understanding that one of Westmoreland's most wanted men had been shot dead during a police military operation within Westmoreland, Jamaica on the 12th of February, the year 2022. According to some things that I read in a news article, it is said that the deceased goes by the name of Andre Hines, otherwise called Bunny, of a Sabalanama address, also in Westmoreland, was listed among Westmoreland's most wanted in September, and to my knowledge that would be within the year 2021. According to the same news article, it is said that one of Westmoreland's most wanted men had been shot dead during a police military operation in Blue Fields, that's within Westmoreland, Jamaica. It is said that the police said that they had seized a AK-47 assault rifle and several rounds of ammunition. And according to the same news article, it is said that the police said that shortly after 9 a.m., police officers from the Westmoreland Police Division, assisted by members of the Jamaica Defense Force, carried out an operation within the Blue Fields area in search of Hines and other gunmen. It is said that the police said that they were fired upon during the operation, and it is said that law enforcers returned fire, which resulted in Hines being shot and he died. All right. Now, it is said that Hines was being sorted for double murder, shooting with intent, and arson. You see me I say? And according to another news article that I read, it is said that the Westmoreland police are now hunting for two men they say shot at them during the police military operation. Is it? And it is said that the police are giving those two men who they are looking for up until Valentine's Day to surrender to the police. And that's according to some things that I read in this news article right here, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, you know, talk about government badness. You ever hear about that? My people, let me tell you something still. It's sad to hear some things were going on in Jamaica. I wish things would be different and not have to happen. To me hear some things that happen. But, I mean, I guess it is what it is. I just want to make you know what going on, my people. Yeah, some have to go left it still, you know. Right, so big up and respect to each and everyone, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I mean, name Dancehall skilla, and big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, skilla.